Good morning, students. This is Karthik, Department of Chemistry from Mount Zion Matriculation Higher Center School. In this session, we are going to learn book bag problem. So, last class also we discussed book bag problem up to question number 41. So, today we are going to discuss about from the question number 43. So the first question, calculate the energy required for the process helium plus. It gives, that is a loss of one electron, it become a helium 2 plus and then loss of one electron. The ionization energy for the hydrogen atom in its ground state is minus 13.6 electron volt per atom. So the first one, the ionization energy for the hydrogen atom in its ground state equal to minus 13.6 electron volt per atom. So the ionization energy equal to minus 13.6 divided by minus 13.6 is Z square divided by N square electron volt. So what is the N equal to 1 because of the ground state. And then what is the Z? Z means atomic number. So the atomic number of helium 2. So the first E1 equal to minus 13.6 divided by 1 square and then multiple with 2 square because Z squared atomic number 2, that is a 2 square. So minus 13.6 multiple with 4 divided by 1. So the answer minus 56.4 electron volt per atom. Then the next one is E infinitive. So infinitive means there is no end, okay, that is the last one. Minus 13.6 multiple with the 2 square because atomic number. So infinitive square equal to, so the answer is equal to 0. The required energy for the given process equal to E infinitive minus E1. So E infinitive value 0 minus what is the E1 value? Minus 56.4. So minus into minus plus. The answer is 56.4 electron volt per atom. The next question, question number 44. An ion with mass number 37 possess unit negative charge. If the ion contains 11.1% more neutrons than the electron, find the symbol of the ion. So first, the number of electron in an ion is taken as X. Therefore, the number of neutrons N equal to X plus 11.1 divided by 100. So why we use the X plus 11.1 divided by 100? Because 11.1% more numbers, more neutrons than electrons. So electron has a X. This is X plus 11.1 divided by 100. So the answer 1.11 X as the number of neutrons are 11.1 percentage more than the number of electrons. So because of the reason, as the number of neutrons are 11.1 percentage more than that of number of electrons. In the neutral atom, the neutral of atoms means the number of proton equal to number of neutrons. So the number of electrons E minus equal to X minus 1, because are the ions carrying minus 1 charge. So similarly, I already told you there is a neutral atom, so the number of electron is equal to number of protons. So number of protons plus number of neutrons is equal to mass number. So what is the mass number? Already given in the problem, 37. So what is the number of protons? X minus 1 plus what is the number of neutrons? 1.11 X equal to 37. So X plus 1.111 X minus 1 equal to 37. So which one is common? X. So 1 plus 1.111 minus 1 equal to 37. So 2.11 2.111 X equal to a minus 1 equal to that side, it's converted into plus 1, so 37 plus 1. So 2.111 X equal to 38. So X equal to 38 divided by 2.111 equal to 18.009. So approximately X equal to 18. So what is the number of proton? P equal to X minus 1. So what is X? 18 minus 1. So the answer 17. This symbol of the ion is equal to chlorine, Cl, atomic number 17, mass number 37. So this is the answer. Symbol of ion is chlorine, that is Cl. The next question number 45. The lithium 2 plus ion is a hydrogen-like ion that can be described by the Bohr model. Calculate the Bohr radius of the third orbit and calculate the energy of an electron in fourth orbit. So the first one, Li 2 plus equal to hydrogen-like ion. So the question, bore radius of the third orbit, that is R3 equal to, that is question. So the formula, what is the Rn formula? So Rn equal to 0.529 n square divided by Z Armstrong. So R3 equal to 0.529 multiple with 3 square divided by, what is the atomic number of lithium? 3 Armstrong. So 0.529 into 9 divided by 3. What is the R3 equal to? 1.587 Armstrong. So the next one is, what is the En formula? Minus 13.6 divided multiple with Z square n square electron volt per atom. So E4, why we are calculating the En? Because of calculate the energy of an electron in fourth orbit. So En formula, En equal to minus 13.6 multiple with the Z square divided by n square electron volt per atom. So we are going to calculate the fourth orbit. So E4 equal to minus 13.6 multiple with the 3 square, because of the reason third atomic number is 3, so the 3 square. Then what is the n value? That is the fourth orbit, so 4 squared. So minus 13.6 into 9 divided by 16. So the E4 answer, E4 equal to minus 7.65 electron volt per atom. So this is the energy of this is the energy of an electron in fourth orbit. The next question, question number 46. Protons can be accelerated in particle accelerators. Calculate the wavelength in Armstrong of such an accelerated proton moving at 2.85 into 10 power 8 meter second power minus 1. The given in the mass of the proton is 1.673 multiple with the 10 power minus 27 kilogram. So what are the given? So the given mass of proton, 1.673 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Then that velocity also given, velocity of proton equal to 2.85 multiple with 10 power 8 meter second inverse. So what we are going to calculate? Wavelength. So the formula lambda equal to h by m into v. Already know what is h value, 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 kilogram meter square second inverse. So h equal, the lambda equal to 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 kilogram meter square second inverse divided by 1.673 multiple with the 10 power minus 27 kg, 2.85 multiple with the 10 power 8 meter second inverse. Second inverse cancel, meter in meter squared cancel, and then kilogram cancel. So the lambda equal to 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 meter divided by 4.7680 multiple with the 10 power minus 27. So the lambda equal to 1.389 multiple with the 10 power minus 34. the lambda equal to 1.389 multiple with 10 power minus 34 multiple with 10 power plus 27. So because of the reason 10 power minus 27 come to the top, it become a 10 power plus 27 and then multiple with 10 power minus the 10 power plus 8 come to the top, it become a 10 power minus 8. So the answer lambda equal to 1.389 into 10 power minus 15 m. The next question, question number 47. What is the de Broglie wavelength of a 160 gram cricket ball traveling at 140 kilogram per hour? So what are the given? Mass of the cricket ball is given. Equal to 160 gram is converted into kilogram. So multiple with 10 power minus 3 kilogram. And the next one is velocity of cricket ball. V equal to 140 kilometer per hour. So converted into meter and hour converted into seconds. So 140 multiple with 1000 divided by, this is kilometer converted into meter, then hour converted into seconds. So divided by 60 multiple with 60. So the velocity V equal to 38.88 meter second inverse. So what is the question? The de Broglie wavelength. So formula lambda equal to h pi m into v. So already know that. What is the h value? 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 kilogram meter squared second inverse. So the lambda equal to 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 kilogram meter squared second inverse divided by, what is the mass? Mass of the ball is 160 multiple with the 10 power minus 3 kilogram. And then what is the velocity? 38.88 meter second inverse. Second inverse cancel. Meter and then meter cancelling from the meter squared. Kilogram also cancel. So 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 divided by 6220.8 into 10 power minus 3. So simplify the answer, 0.001065 multiple with the 10 power minus 34 and then 10 power 3. Because the minus 3 come to the top, it has become a plus 3 meter unit. So finally the answer 1.065 multiple with the 10 power minus 34 meter. So this is the wavelength. The next question, suppose that the uncertainty in determining the position of an electron in an orbit is 0.6 angstrom. What is the uncertainty in its momentum? So first, what are the given? So the delta, that is uncertainty in position of electron equal to 0.6 angstrom. So 0.6 10 power minus 10 m. So the question is, calculate the uncertainty momentum As a delta P is the question. So formula delta X delta P greater than or H pi 4 pi, and then question is delta P, rearrange the formula H pi 4 pi multiple with delta X. Delta P greater than or 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 kilogram meter squared second inverse divided by what is the 4 and then 3.14, pi value is 3.14, and then what is the delta X value 0.6 into 10 power minus 10 m. So the delta P 6.626 meter and meters, the meter in the meter squared cancel. 6.626 multiple with the 10 power minus 34 divided by 7.536 multiple with the 10 power minus 10. So the delta P greater than or 0.8792 multiple with the 10 power minus 34 and then 10 power plus 10. So the delta P greater than or 0.8792 into 10 power minus 24 kilogram meter second inverse. So the answer delta P is equal to 8.792 into 10 power minus 25 kilogram meter second inverse. The next question, question number 49. Show that if the measurement of the uncertainty in the location of the particle is equal to its de Broglie wavelength, the minimum certainty in its velocity is equal to its velocity divided by 4 pi. So we are going to prove velocity divided by 4 pi. So what are the given? Uncertainty in position delta X equal to lambda. The value of uncertainty in velocity equal to V divided by 4 pi. So the formula delta X multiplied with the delta P greater than or H pi 4 pi. So the de Broglie equation lambda equal to H pi m into V. So the H equal to lambda multiple with m multiple with V. So the delta X equal to H pi 4 pi m into delta V. So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, this is equation number 3, this is equation number 4. So substitute the value of H in the equation 4. So delta X equal to lambda multiple with m into V divided by 4 pi multiple with m into delta V. So the delta V equal to lambda multiple with m multiple with V divided by 4 pi m into delta X. So already delta X equal to lambda. So already we taken as delta X equal to lambda. So the delta V equal to 4 pi delta V equal to delta X multiple with m multiple with V divided by 4 pi m into delta X. Delta X cancel, m and m cancel. So finally the delta V equal to V divided by 4 pi. Therefore answer minimum uncertainty in velocity equal to v divided by 4 pi. The next question, question number 50. What is the de Broglie wavelength of an electron which is accelerated from the rest through a potential difference of 100 voltage? So what are the given in the problem? Potential difference is given. V equal to 100 voltage. So the potential energy the electron volt, 1 electron volt equal to 1.609 into 10 power minus 19 joule. 609 into 10 power minus 19 into 100. So half mv squared equal to 1.609 into 10 power minus 17 joule. So what is v squared equal to 1.609 into 10 power minus 17 multiple with 2 divided by m. Already know what is the m. M is the mass of electron. Mass of electron 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kilogram. So v squared equal to 2 into 1.609 into 10 power minus 17 divided by 9.1 into 10 power minus 31. So what is v? V equal to the root of 2 into 1.609 into 10 power minus 17 divided by 9.1 into 10 power minus 31. So v equal to the root of 2 into 1.609 into 10 power minus 17 into 10 power 31 divided by 9.1. So v equal to 3.218 multiple with 10 power 14 divided by 9.1. So the v equal to 5.93 into 10 power 6 meter per second. So we also calculated. So question is de Broglie wavelength. So what is the formula? Lambda equal to h pi m into v. Already know that what is the m? M is the mass of electron. V is already calculated from the potential energy. So apply the values in the formula. Lambda equal to 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 kilogram meter squared second inverse divided by 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kilogram multiple with what is the velocity 5.93 into 10 power 6 meter second inverse and then meter cancel and then kilogram cancel. So the lambda equal to 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 into 10 power plus 31. This minus 31 come to the top. It become a 10 power plus 31 and then 10 power minus 6 divided by 53.963. So the lambda equal to 0.122 into 10 power minus 9m. So the answer 1.22 into 10 power minus 10m. 1 Armstrong, therefore 1 Armstrong equal to 10 power minus 10 m. So final answer 1.22 Armstrong. This is the wavelength lambda. The wavelength of electron lambda equal to 1.22 Armstrong. The next question, question number 51. Identify the missing quantum numbers and the sub-energy level. So the first column is only given in the sub-energy level 4D. What is the n value? n equal to 4. And then what is the L value? L value for the d orbital is 2. That's the question number 1. And then what is the question number 2? So that is the n value is that is in the problem, and then L value is also in the problem, and then m value is given in the problem. So what is the sub energy level? N equal to 3. So what is the sub energy is 3, and then L equal to 1. L value 1 means that is the p orbital. So the sub energy is 3p. The question number 3. So n value is not there in the problem, and then L value is not there in the problem, and then m value also there is no in the question. So the only the given in the sub energy level. So p 5p. So what is the n? 5p means principal quantum number n equal to 5. And then what is the L value? The p orbital. L value for the p orbital is 1. And then what is the m value? -1, 0, plus 1. So any one of the value in the m. And then last one, question number 4. So n value, we are going to calculate n value, L value. So given in the problem only m and that is the magnetic quantum numbers and sub energy level. So the n value from the sub energy level, that is a 3d orbital. So the n equal to 3. And then d orbital, what is the L value for the d orbital? That is 2. The next one is, what are the possible questions in the session? So you have to do it. Calculate the wavelength of an electron moving with a velocity of 2.05 into 10 power 7 meter second inverse. The next question, how many electrons can be accommodated in the main shell? L, M and N. So the formula, I'll give the formula. It's a formula 2n squared formula. Already know what is the L value, what is the M value, what is the N value. So L shall mean 2, M 3 third shell, N fourth shell. Okay, we can apply the formula. So we can get the number of electron in the main shell. How many, third question, how many electrons that can be accommodated in the subshell SPDF? So this is the formula 2 into 2L plus 1. Already know what is the L value for the s orbital? 0, p orbital 1, d orbital 2, f orbital is 3. And then first problem, hint, that is the mass is, this is the electron mass 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kilogram, and then velocity also given in the problem 2.05 into 10 power 7 meter second inverse. And then what are that? H already know that, Planck constant value 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 kilogram meter squared second inverse. So already know the formula, lambda equal to h by m into v. Thank you for watching, students.